Hello and welcome to Spot On. I'm Sabine from Porsche, and in this video you will get an overview of the driver assistance control stack of the new Porsche Cayenne. Check it out. The control stack located on the left behind the steering wheel has been fundamentally revised in the new Porsche Cayenne. The new arrangement has improved the operation of the driver assistance systems, made them easier to reach, and added additional functions. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The new mode button on the left side of the control stack is your first port of call for activating or deactivating a driver assistance system. When pressing the button, a menu opens in the instrument cluster to select the respective driver assistance system. When pressing the mode button, an overlay on the Porsche Communication Management system pops up, allowing you to quickly activate or deactivate additional features of the selected assist mode. Let's see it in action. Let's select the speed limiter assist mode via the control stack. The speed limiter helps you not to exceed an individually set speed. In the PCM overlay, you can now choose if you want to use the additional speed limit option. In this case, your Porsche now detects the current speed limit based on the vehicle's navigation and camera data and changes the maximum speed limit automatically. Tap on the option for activation or deactivation. The additional functions and advanced settings can also be called up manually in the PCM by tapping on Car, Assistance, Assist Mode. To turn off the driver assistance completely, press the Mode button and click it until the entry Off is selected, or use the PCM menu and tap Off. Let's go back to the speed limiter and take a look at how it works. To set a speed limit for systems like the limiter, bring the vehicle to the desired speed and press the control stack upwards. The current speed is now set as the maximum speed. The control stack can also be used to set the maximum speed up or down gradually. Press the stack slightly upwards again to increase the desired speed by 1 km/h steps. Press the stack a bit stronger upwards to increase the maximum speed in 10 km/h intervals. In the same way, this works for a reduction of speed when you move the control stack down. By pressing the control stack forward or backward, you can interrupt your set driver assistance system or resume an interrupted one. Move the stack away from you to cancel a previously set limiter or an active assistance system. Move the control stack towards you to resume an existing limiter or reactivate the previous set assistance system. If your vehicle is equipped with the adaptive cruise control option, your Porsche also supports you in keeping distance to the vehicle in front of you. For this reason, the control stack has an additional toggle switch that allows you to set the desired distance to the vehicle in front in 5 different levels. The distance will increase or decrease depending on the vehicle in front of you. Watch our adaptive cruise control spot on video for more information. The lane keep assist has its own separate button for quick activation or deactivation. It will be active as soon as you start the car, and if you want to deactivate it, press it long to switch it off. We hope you enjoyed the video and wish you a safe and pleasant journey. See you in the next video.